It's the world's largest living history museum. A restored and reconstructed 18th century city, Colonial Williamsburg recreates many of the sights, sounds, and smells of colonial life. But what was the significance of Williamsburg in revolutionary Virginia? And why is Colonial Williamsburg special? Founded as a settlement called Middle Plantation, it was renamed Williamsburg in 1699, when it replaced Jamestown as Virginia's capital. In the city's many stores, trade shops, and taverns, European colonists, indigenous peoples, and enslaved and free Black people exchanged goods, services, and ideas with each other. The College of William and Mary served as an intellectual center in Williamsburg, where great thinkers like Thomas Jefferson and the scholar George Wythe discussed Enlightenment ideas, like freedom, liberty, and natural rights, the rights all people are entitled to from birth. But in 1775, more than half of the people who lived in Williamsburg were African Americans. Most were enslaved, highlighting the contradiction between these ideals of freedom and the reality of society at that time. Williamsburg grew into a thriving capital city, attracting leaders such as George Washington, James Madison, and Patrick Henry. The city's main landmarks were the Governor's Palace and the Capitol Building, home to the House of Burgesses, the colony's legislature. Virginia was the most populous and one of the most influential colonies at the time. And after the 5th Virginia Convention in Williamsburg, Virginia set a precedent by becoming the first colony at the Second Continental Congress to officially advocate for colonial independence, when Richard Henry Lee introduced what would become known as the Lee Resolution. During the Revolutionary War, Williamsburg's political influence weakened when Virginia's capital moved to Richmond. Almost 150 years later, in 1926, the Reverend W.A.R. Goodwin and John D. Rockefeller Jr. enacted a plan to restore and reconstruct the old city to the way it was in colonial times. Williamsburg played a pivotal role in shaping American government and its founding ideals, and today serves as an important educational site. By preserving and interpreting colonial history, the museum is focused on the mission that the future may learn from the past.